Today I am giving you a tour of 5436 West Fulton Street in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this delightful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom patio home. The open concept layout of this home features charming laminate wood flooring throughout the first floor, complemented by a kitchen adorned with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. In addition, a convenient powder room is located on the first floor for guests. This lovely home is situated near the Loop 202 and offers both convenience and comfort for its residents. Upstairs, there is a dedicated laundry room that adds to the home's functionality. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have a shared bathroom with a tub shower combination. Upstairs, you'll also find the primary suite with a full bathroom. There is also a walk-in closet for all your wardrobe essentials. This beautiful home also offers a low-maintenance yard for easy living. Thanks for watching today's tour of this beautiful home in Phoenix. Have a wonderful day.